Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Subject English. So, children, we already started supplementary reading The Never Ending Story. So, you all know that this is the story of Akbar and Birbal. So, here Akbar was sick, so he was not getting sleep. So, that's why Hakim suggested him to listen to the story. So, he ordered all the darbaris to say story every night. So when the storyteller was getting sleep, but Akbar was not, so that's why they all met the Birbal and asked for solution for the problem. So then Birbal was ready to solve the problem, so he is ready to say the story. He went near the Akbar that night and he started telling story. So as usual, after he started first story, after the end of the story, Akbar asked what next. Next is the again second story also he said the same, and the third story. Then the third story he started, there was one forest, in that the Bill was living in a hut. So but he was not afraid of any animals. He know how to handle the animals, but the problem was birds. What the birds were doing, the birds were coming inside and they were with the help of the beak they used to take the grains of corn. So that's why so for that he thought one plan. He went to market and bought basket. He in that basket he kept the grains and then he closed the lid. So the so the birds came as usual inside his hut and searched for the grains, but they didn't, and finally they came to know the grains are inside the baskets. So till that we have completed. Now we'll move on to the next one. The birds then pecked at the basket but only hurt themselves in the process. So when they came to know that that the grains are inside that one, so they went near the basket and they pecked. What is the pecked means? They begged the baskets to take the grains, but only it was hurt. So they got pain only because that is the basket, no, so they are not able to make the take the what one grains. So next is, then Akbar asked, what then? Among the birds was a little sparrow who was very clever. So many birds they were coming inside what? Bill's hut. So in that birds, sparrow, a small sparrow. You all know, every day you'll see the sparrow, small sparrow. It was very intelligent. Who was very intelligent? Sparrow was very. She made friends with a small mouse. This sparrow, no, sparrow is having friendship. Friendship with whom? Friendship with mouse. You know, no, mouse are what, they can bite anything, isn't it? Even though if it is very hard also. So where was that mouse? The mouse were in the hut and asked him to help her. He nibbled at the basket. So what happened? That sparrow is having friendship with whom? With with mouse. So where was the mouse? The mouse was inside the hut. So when this sparrow went near the mouse and asked for the help, so this this mouse, they started nibble means what? You started biting the basket. So I'll read. The birds then pecked is the new word, at the basket but only hurt themselves in the process. What then? Among the birds was a little sparrow who was very clever. She made friends with a small mouse in the hut and asked him to help her. He nibbled at the basket. Next one. Yes, nobody knew how, but soon the birds came to know of this and gathered in great numbers outside the hut My God, so many birds. Do you know how many, Sarkar? So the mouse started nibbling that basket. They made a hole in that one. So then water. Nobody knows. Even Bill also don't know how. Very but soon, what is the meaning of soon? Very fastly, all the birds came to know that and everyone, all the birds are gathered in front of the hut. Gathered means what? All they were there in front of the hut in a lot, many numbers. So outside the hut, my God, so many birds. So who spread this news that the grain in the basket, that basket was being opened with the help of whom? Mouse. So who spread this? But many number of birds are gathered in front of the hut. So my God, so many birds. Who is saying this story? Birbal. To whom? Akbar. So he said, oh my God, do you know how many, Sarkar? So do you know, Sarkar, how many birds? Sarkar means, who is the Sarkar here? Akbar is the Sarkar. We'll say emperor, king, isn't it? So Huzur, all this, he said Sarkar. So then Akbar asked, how many? Then Birbal said, 500 birds. How many? 500 birds. Isn't it? So once again I'll read this paragraphs. Yes. So who nibbled? Mouse nibbled. Nobody knew how, but soon. No one knows. Isn't it? The birds came to know of this. Which one they came to know? That the basket was opened. Isn't it? So and gathered in great numbers outside the hut. My God, so many birds. Do you know how? Do you know how many, Sarkar? How many? 500 birds. So many of them, the emperor exclaimed. What then? So Akbar Akbar repeated. He was also surprised. Exclaimed means surprised. Who was surprised? Emperor. He said, so many of them. Who? 500. When Birbal said, do you know, Sarkar, how many of them? That was 500 birds. Then for that, so many of. So them means, who is the them here? Birds are them here. Birds are referred to them here. The emperor exclaimed, surprised. What next? What then? Then one bird went into the house, went into the hut, and holding a grain of corn in its beaks, flew out. So 500 is there. In that first one went inside the hut, and then holding. So keeping a grain of corn, isn't it? Grain of corn in its beak. So birds don't have their mouth, they'll take with the help of the beak, isn't it? So beak, and flew out. What is the flew out? So that is the fly, isn't it? Flew, flown. So that's why that is the past form. V2 form of fly. Flew isn't it? So the first, which one went? First bird went, and then that took a grain of corn in its beak, and then it went out. Then Akbar asked, then the second bird entered the hut, and holding a grain of corn in its beak, flew out. First one went inside, taken, and went out. Next, then he asked, who asked? Akbar asked, then what? So next, again the second one entered the hut, and then bird has taken one grain of corn in its beak, and it also went. First one went, second one went, and then. So this is the habit of whom? Akbar. Then when you are listening to the story, if it was very interesting, you'll also, then what? What then? Isn't it? So then Birbal continued. The third bird went into the hut, and holding a grain of corn in its beak, flew out. First went taken and went out. Second one taken, went on. The next, the third one went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. The next came third one. It was also taken and then flew out, went out, flying. And Akbar asked, then the fourth bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. So next, after third one, fourth bird went inside the hut and what it has taken? It has taken a grain of corn where? In its beak. Who? Bird. And then flew out. So again, then the bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. Then who is asking then? Akbar. Who is continuing story? Birbal. Then the fourth bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. So then the fifth bird went into the hut and so next one after one he is saying how many birds he told? 500 birds. So what he told? Next 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is the fifth one. The fifth bird went into the hut and what? Holding grain of corn and flew out. Like this fifth one he told. The next one, Birbal. Now how many birds are left? So 5 means how many is left? How many? 500 means 495. So Sarkar, so far only 5 birds have flown out. There are still 495 birds to go. So what was I saying? Yes, the sixth bird went into the hut. And so now Akbar was fed up. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 he is counting, no? So that is why. What happened after the fifth bird? Akbar asked, Birbal, how many birds are left? Because he is saying one by one, no? So that is why. Then Birbal said, Sarkar. Who is Sarkar here? Akbar is Sarkar. So far, till now, how many birds went inside? Only 4, and they have taken the grain of corn and then flown off. That is a V4. Fly, flew, flown. Isn't it? But there are still 495 birds to go. So what was I saying? What was I saying? So still how many is there? 495. Still only 5 birds went, taken and flown off. So still 495. That's so where I was stopped. So the sixth bird went into the hut. So next he said, after the fifth, which one? This is a number 6. 6 also went inside, holding a grain of corn and flew out. Isn't it? Hearing the dull story of the birds going into the hut one by one and coming out. So what happened? Hearing this is a dull story. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why what he is saying, one bird went, 2, second bird, third bird, fourth bird. Hearing this dull story, going inside and then went out. So the emperor got so disgusted that he almost shouted. He was upset. Very upset. Who was very upset? Akbar was upset and he shouted. He said what? Loudly, Birbal, when are these birds going to finish their task of carrying the grain out? So said, tell me, Birbal, when this will be stopped? When you are going to stop this story and when these birds will stop carrying the grains? Which grain? Grain of corn. Where is this? It is in the Bill's house, isn't it? So when you stop saying, what next? The Birbal was very intelligent. He said, when you will stop saying, because every time Akbar was saying, after saying, completing, what next, isn't it? So that's why when you stop this one asking, then the story will complete. Sarkar, said Birbal. The emperor realized his folly and ordered that his program of hearing of tale from his courtiers each night should be stopped. So the emperor realized means he understood. Who understood? Akbar understood. his folly. Folly means foolishness. And ordered, he gave the order to stop his that program. Which program? Hearing what? Story. Tale, I already told you, tale means story from the courtiers. Those are present in his darbar. So stop, each night should be stopped. Every night they have to say the story, that has been stopped. See how nicely Birbal solved this problem. Isn't it? So hearing the dull story of the birds going into the hut one by one and coming out, the emperor got so disgusted. Disgusted means, Abba, it's enough, like that. Then that he almost shouted, Birbal, when are these birds, see, this means single, these means plural, birds, going to finish their task of carrying the grain out? Birbal, when you stop saying, what next, Sarkar, said Birbal. The emperor realized his folly and ordered that his program of hearing of tale from his courtier each night should be stopped. He stopped the program. Which program? Hearing story. So this is the story. See how intelligently Birbal solved this problem. So what I did today, he started telling the story when he kept in the basket. One small sparrow went near the mouse. It was inside the hut and asked for the help them to come out. So the mouse went and nibbled the basket. So when they know all this, they can take the grain, everyone. So they all gathered. How many? 500 members. 500 birds, each one. So Birbal started telling 1, 2, 3. By listening this bore story, he said, stop, don't say this. When you are going to stop this, when you say, what next? So then he came to understand that he was very foolish. Who was very foolish? Akbar. And he told, no need to say the stories now onwards on each night. Isn't it? So intelligent. So here are the question. What did Hakim suggested to the emperor? What the Hakim told? To listen to the story each night. Isn't it? Why did the Darbaris go to Birbal? Why they went to near the Birbal? They went near the Birbal to solve this problem, because only they were getting sleep, not the emperor. What was Bill's problem? Bill's problem was the birds were entering his hut and carrying what? Grains of corn. How did Bill try to solve the problem? He bought what? Basket from the market. What did the little sparrow do? Little sparrow asked the help of mouse. Isn't it? Why was the emperor disgusted? Listening to this boring, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So he was disgusted. Isn't it? So this is the lesson and we completed. So you read once again, listen carefully and then try to answer. If you don't know, you ask me or post me in WhatsApp. So if you read this from the first video, second video and third video of this supplementary reading lesson, so you just read it, you'll have, so these 3 videos, if you listen and see, you'll get the answer. I already explained also, so just go through it and see. This one is very easy, you can write and don't miss to write. Okay, then children will continue. So keep the classwork. Wednesday onwards, I'll give you the notes of the first lesson, isn't it? And then this supplementary reading. So the first lesson is what? Lighthouse, isn't it? That also I'll give you. Okay, then children, bye. We'll see you in the next class.